Hello friends, this is a vanity case I recently picked up on Amazon Japan. If you are shopping on Amazon.com, you can get these in many different colors. It's a vanity case. It's supposed to emulate something higher end in the designer category. I don't know what, kind of looks a bit LV-ish, but no. And it's not leather. Can I say that right away? I saw some other videos, I don't know if they're still there on this listing, some influencers telling you that this is leather. It is not, okay? It says leather, but they're lying. I don't know how people get away with it these days. I guess the word leather is kind of like the word chocolate. So if you say chocolate candy, there's very little to no chocolate in there. But if you say chocolate, pure chocolate, and you look at the ingredients and it's over a certain percentage, then you can call it chocolate. But chocolate candy, not chocolate. In any case, my point here is that this is vegan leather. It's plastic. And if you scroll down on Amazon on any posting and you really want to find out the materials of something, just go to the materials section and it'll say PU leather, like plastic, basically. So yeah, it's plastic. And this definitely feels plasticky, very sort of soft and nice, but not leather, and also smells very chemically. So yeah, I pretty much knew right away that it's not leather. But anyway, for the price, I still like this thing, actually. And if you're using it for makeup and lotions, you probably don't want a leather. That would damage it. This is probably going to be a little bit more resistant. But over time, with chemicals, things will wear down and look nasty regardless. Now, again, looking by the interior here, you can see this is not premium. However, for what it's supposed to do, this is what I expected. It's not bad at all. And what I really like about this is this removable insert here that you can use you can take this out to wash, and you can use it to organize your stuff, kind of like a bag insert. I like that bag-in-bag concept. And just to give you an idea of what could fit in here, I've got some hair dye stuff here, some hair preserver, got some BB cream. Let's just chuck that in there. So all these fit, and there is some room on the top, no problem. However, something like this is just a little bit taller than this. This will not fit in. Now the dimensions are written on Amazon, so you can check that out. You could also use it to store your supplements or your vitamins. Why not? Excellent job. But for me, I'm going to be using it as a combination, not so much for travel, to be honest, more for storage of stuff that I've got backups for, or if I'm moving or staying longer trip. Yeah, I guess I will use it a little bit for traveling. But I do have a main flat zip-up one that I prefer to use. This one is just a little classy-looking storage container to put on my drawer and have it look good. Nice bonus with this bag, you guys, is that you could actually use it as a handbag. Why not? I've seen a lot of purse styles in recent months with this exact same concept. And I do know that people are using vanity bags as purses, so that's an option for you too. This color, unfortunately, doesn't do it for me, so I won't be doing that. This was the only one that was available. I wanted a black one or a blue one. But it's not a premium product, guys, just to make that clear. This is a plastic container for your vanity items. That's it.